A full credit report is legally available for free from the 3 major credit bureaus, and the only official source that provides all of them in one place is AnnualCreditReport.com. Many people miss this and end up paying for reports or using third-party apps that only show partial data. By the end of this, you'll know exactly how to pull your free credit reports from Equifax, Experian and TransUnion, what you actually get from each report, and how to avoid fake or misleading free credit report sites. First thing to understand is what a credit report actually is. It is a detailed record of your credit accounts, payment history, balances, and inquiries. It is not the same as a credit score, which is just a number based on that data. Start by going to AnnualCreditReport.com. This is the only federally authorized site for free credit reports from all 3 bureaus. Once you're on the site, you select Request Your Credit Reports, then enter your personal details like name, address, and social security number to verify your identity. After verification, you can choose which bureaus you want to check. You can pull all 3 at once or space them out if you prefer to monitor your credit throughout the year. Each bureau report may show slightly different information, because not all lenders report to all 3. When you download your reports, look carefully at 4 main sections: accounts, payment history, credit inquiries, and public records. These sections are what lenders use when deciding whether to approve you for credit. One common mistake is assuming every report will look identical. Differences between Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion are normal because each one collects data separately from lenders. Another important detail is avoiding copycat websites. Some sites use similar names and try to upsell credit monitoring or subscriptions after giving you limited information. The official site does not require a paid upgrade to access your reports. If you find incorrect information, you can dispute it directly with the credit bureau that shows the error. That process is separate from getting the report itself. To summarize, free credit reports come directly from AnnualCreditReport.com. Each bureau may show slightly different data, and reviewing all 3 gives you the most complete picture of your credit profile. A practical next step is to pull at least one of your credit reports today and review the account section carefully so you know exactly what lenders are seeing. Subscribe for more simple guides that help you understand and fix your credit without paying for unnecessary services.